All right, well, this one is sold. It's heading off to New Jersey. Just want to thanks for all the phone calls and emails and comments on it. This is the third time we've actually sold this unit. First time it went to Oklahoma. Second time it went to South Philadelphia. This time it was going to New Jersey. First customer was a retired Marine, had some back issues and had to give it up. Second customer had to buy out the local diesel competitor in town to expand his existing diesel repair business. And now it's going off to a landscape contractor out in New Jersey. So we still have a little 1424 extended frame here. Are asking $39.5 on it. The gooseneck trailers from Camex are here. And then on order, we also have an 1824 gas-powered machine. It has the 38-horse Kohler V-twin on it. And then we're also doing one with a new Chevy 999 motor. So it'll be 999 cc's, I think. But it will be a liquid-cooled gas motor. So each of those are in the 60s. I think the Chevy motor one might be close to 70. By the time it's all said and done, we did it up with like an operator seat, the sawdust chute, auto cycle fast split. I really built a nice unit. And then we also have an 1824 diesel machine. It'll have a 10-foot extended deck, the 18-foot fold over the top conveyor on it. And give me a call on that one. It is a little bit more customed than I normally do, but want to put together a nice production piece on that one. So I just want to say thanks for watching, and it's 833 splitter. That's 833-775-4887 if we can ever get you a quote on something. Again, we are an authorized dealer for these different manufacturers. Probably the most frequent call we've been getting here recently has been we watch all the videos, but we end up going with the factory because we figured you would have a markup on it. Well, I have my own dealer pricing that allows us to sell it for actually a little bit less than what the manufacturer does. We work some deals on wedges and spare chains and delivery and all that kind of stuff. So when I say let me earn your business with the sales quote, I do mean it. We do really well, and we've moved a lot of product for all of the manufacturers that we rep. We've been blessed to be very busy this year and just like other years in the past. So email me at sales@cheveryequipment.com. And again, just want to say thank you. We're a few days here towards the end of December, and snow is falling here in the background. And just want to wish you all Merry Christmas. So give me a buzz. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.